Making custom rhinestone denim shorts is super easy, and in this video, I'm going to give you all the steps you need to start customizing your garments. Rhinestones are super popular, so you want to hop on this trend now. Everything you need will be in the description of this video, and if you have any questions during this video, leave them in the comment section. Let's get right into the tutorial. All right, so like I said, we are going to be doing the AB Crystal in black. It's going on those light blue denim shorts. I hope it looks good as far as the color. And these shorts will be for sale also. So if you want to, be the one to cop them, let me know. I got you. Probably check the description down below. But let's go ahead and open up our rhinestones. Boom, this is like really, really fast. All right, give me a second. Let me go grab the brush tool. All right, now from here, we just go ahead and brush them in. When I'm not filming, this process is a lot faster. If you have like bigger design, that's obviously gonna take a lot longer. But yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and brush them in. Now there's obviously gonna be a few that don't look great. So we're just going to go ahead and grab our tweezers and then just go ahead and set them in. And then once you do this for a while, you get better, you get a lot quicker. Grabbing the stones can be annoying when you're first starting, but don't worry, you'll get a lot better. It's worth the time and the effort that you put into it for what you could sell these um items for. So we have our transfer tape. Now let's go ahead and boom. Yep, so you gotta be careful because if you mess up, it's extremely annoying. There's gonna be careful. Boom. And then once you put the tape down, you want to go ahead and brush it. Make sure all the stones are touching the tape. So when we lift it, they all come up. All right, that should be good. Burn, perfect. You were able to get all of them. Now we just go ahead and put the backing. And there we go. We just made our rhinestone transfer super easy. I hope this tutorial helps. I am going to go ahead and make a few more of these because I want to make some black ones as well. And these are going to go all over the shorts, front and back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'll show you what they look like. And then we will go over to the heat press to apply them onto the denim shorts. If you have any questions so far, leave them in the comments. And if you're getting some value provided to you, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. But I will see you on the next step. All right, now let's go ahead and make our rhinestone stencil. So for this one, we're going to be doing the Old English R. These are SS10 holes. Right here we have the black and AB crystals. So these are AB crystals. They're a little bit more colorful than regular crystals. So the way that we make our stencils is by grabbing our rhinestone flock. It's really thick and it's sticky on the bottom. We just pretty much feed it into the vinyl cutter, and then the vinyl cutter will cut out all the holes. I do sell the files for a lot of these fonts. Like yeah, I have about like A through Z SVG files. You can also get them custom made. I have tutorials on how to use Corel Draw and the Design Wizard to pretty much make everything. So I'll leave links to those videos down below. That way you don't have to worry about waiting or any of that good stuff or bad stuff, so they're already made. Um, I already cut out some transfer tape. The transfer tape is going to go on the stencil once it's done. That also comes in a roll like this. And all this stuff is available down below. I have rhinestone starter kits that contain, everything that you're going to need. But yeah, these are one of my most popular ones. You guys have probably seen a lot of these. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod and we're gonna go ahead and make our stencil, our transfer, I should say, and then we're gonna go over to the heat press. So if you have any questions so far, go ahead and leave them in the comment section and I got you. All right, so I have right here a handful. We have the AB crystals and then we have the black crystals. This is enough for the front. I'm gonna go ahead and make more, but I just wanted to show you how they're looking so far. But I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest and then I will see you at the heat press. All right, so I set the heat press to 335 degrees because that is what we use for hot fix rhinestones. In this video, we are using a Fancier Studio 16 by 24 with the pull-out drawer. It is in my Amazon storefront. I've been using this one for about 3 years. Still running super, super strong. These shorts are brand new. I source all of my, jean shorts and all my, Dickies pants from just shopping around the, like outlet malls and things of that nature. Just source really, good blanks for like really good pricing. And then I just unstitch all the branding and then just put my own branding. So that's how I'm able to get the shorts. So that's my little tip for you guys. Just go hit up your like, Burlingtons and things of that nature. It's the real sauce. So let's go ahead and add our rhinestone tracers. Well, actually, first, let's pre-press our shorts to get any of that moisture out. And this is where you can go ahead and double check your pressure. All right, let's just pre-press for like 10 seconds just to make sure the shorts are completely dry. So that way the glue from the hot fix rhinestones adhere properly. It's just going to give us the best results. All right, so we have our AB crystal. So we did the AB crystal and the black crystals. So I'm just gonna like put a space in between all of them and then just scatter them all over the shorts. So let's do that. And I don't know what this is gonna look like as far as how it's gonna hit. I'm assuming that it'll look good. Because I want people to wear these in the summertime, like at a pool party or something like that. So I think if it's worn, whether it's dope lighting, whether it's like a party at night or whatever, these rhinestone shorts are gonna be sure to be hitting. So I'm wondering if I should put them. Let's see that one there. Bring this one up. Cool. Let's see. What color I should put here? Or we could do something like this. And I'm just eyeballing the whole thing, honestly. I've done this a few times, so I kind of just do what looks good. You know what I mean? And what's dope about this transfer tape, it's really high quality, so you can use it a bunch of times. So don't throw it away after you're done pressing. That way you can, get the maximum life out of it. Let's do. I think that looks good, and then we'll do probably a black one. How we're seeing. Let's see. Maybe the. No, I think yeah, it's gonna be the black, and it's gonna go up here. Okay. I would like to assume that was a guy eyeballed it. Um, but I think I do good. All right, let's go ahead and press this for about 15 seconds. And because I did like a handful of them at a time, I'm probably gonna press it a few times just to make sure, and then we're gonna peel slowly just to make sure all of the stones adhere properly, and then we'll probably do it one more time just to make sure they really adhered. That's how we, you know, maximize the lifespan of the shorts. So I can already tell that it's gonna need another press. No problem. Take your time during this. You try this with the rhinestones. You don't want them falling off for your customers. So if you have to press it a few times, move the garment around, that's totally okay. Just make sure you're peeling the transfer tape slowly. So that way if stones do come up, you'll be able to just lay it back down and then press until that stone is adhered. So from here, we'll go ahead and start peeling them. So we're gonna do it slowly. See how some came up right here. Some came up right there. Okay, so it's looking like the ones up here adhered. And I'm assuming it's because sometimes the jeans, because they're, kind of thicker, some parts lay um on, the mat and it makes it uneven. So either we push this more up or we add more pressure. But I think if I move it like this, give it a little bit more tightness, I think I'll be able to get these two right here. And that's why you do it really slow. So I was able to find out that the stone wasn't adhering properly because I peeled it slowly. That's what I want you to do. It's just gonna make your life a lot easier because there's been times where I forget and I peel it really fast and it just doesn't work out and I'm really annoyed and you know what I mean? Just avoid all of that. So let's check it out. Now remember, we're gonna peel slowly just to make sure they all adhere. If not, we're gonna have to do it again. But there we go. That's the result we wanted. Perfect. Now we're gonna do this one slowly. Okay, so one didn't make it. Literally only one stone. So I can either put something under it, or I think I'll just tighten it a little bit and press it one more time. And I'm pretty sure after that one, we will be good. But like I said, that's why I do it really slow. If the stones aren't sticking, you can always put like a pillow underneath it, like a heat press pillow, a t-shirt, something to just raise certain areas of your rhinestone transfer. All right. There we go. Perfect. And then remember to save all of your transfer tape because we can use it a handful more times. I'm going to go ahead and press the rest of them. And then from there, I will just, showcase the rest of the shorts. That way you can see what the final product looks like. If you have any questions so far, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you. All right, so that's everything that you're going to need to know to start customizing your own denim shorts with Hotfix rhinestones. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to support my clothing brand. I have a ton of dope items I've made that are up for sale and I know you're going to love them. It's going to be awesome for pool parties this summer if you want to stand out. It's also going to be an awesome way to support my channel directly. Thank you so much and I'll see you next video.